All right, you guys, so I was doing a get ready with me. I've already did my foundation, so I'm just going to get right into the eye look because my foundation is pretty much the same in all of my videos. So I'll be using the It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetics palette. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to take some NYX milk pencil and I'm going to put it on my eyelid. And this is just going to help the colors to pop a little bit more. And I will be doing another Valentine's Day look. So now that we have that blended out, I'll be putting a little translucent powder under my eyes, just because this palette does have a little fallout, and so I don't want it to get it all over my face. So if you put translucent powder under your eye, it'll help grab some of the fallout. Okay. So we're going to start with this eye look. And the first color we're going to take is a purple color called Cunny. And we're going to take that on like a flat all over our lids. And these eyeshadows are very pigmented. I really do like this palette. Very simple. Just put it all over your eyelid. Then I'm going to take the color Friday, and I'm going to use that to blend out the edges of the purple that we just put down. And the video that I uploaded for my first Valentine's look, I feel like that the video was a fail, but I still wanted to upload it because I wanted to show that I do take this very seriously. And even when I do make a mistake, I use that as an opportunity to learn from it and not really look at it as a negative thing. So I'm definitely still learning how to really commend all of the people that make videos on the regular, because it's not easy. It's really not easy. You know, you have to take out time of your day to make the video, then you have to edit the video, and then sometimes you run into technical difficulties, and then you have to figure out what you need to do to try to get to the outcome that you want, you know, because I know yesterday after I filmed the video and I edited and everything, it was fine. So I uploaded the video, and then I always go back and watch my videos just in case to make sure that everything looks fine and everything. I noticed that the volume of the video just did not sound right. So I could have left it up, but I take pride in what I do, and I take pride in my videos. So I did not want to just leave it up like that. So I deleted deleted the video. If I say video one more time, but I deleted it, and I had to go back and try to fix the sound. And I don't know what was wrong with it, because when I would go back and play it, it sounded fine on my phone, but when I would go back and look at the video, it was too loud and it sounded very muffled. You couldn't understand what I was saying. So I just had to go and take all the audio back out of the video and upload it again. And mind you, I had to upload it twice. The first time I uploaded, and after it said that it was finished, it just completely disappeared. I have no clue what happened to it. So I had to do it again. And just keep in mind that when I upload a video, it takes me maybe an hour and a half to 2 hours for it to upload. So this is not just a 5-minute process, you know. But I really do enjoy making videos. I really enjoy filming. I really enjoy trying new things and learning new things, because I'm definitely not. But this is something that I'm learning, and it's something that I love to learn, and I take a lot of time out to learn, because I spend a lot of time researching on how to do different stuff for my videos. I spend a lot of time trying to make better quality videos for you, for my followers, because I want to put out something that you want to actually watch. So I'm just blending everything out. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the Black Beauty color, which is like a black color, and I'm only gonna use a little bit because I don't want to smoke it out too much, but I do want to give it just a little definition. So I'm gonna put that in my crease, but I don't want to do too much, do too much. But, you know, I was sitting there contemplating if I wanted just to delete the whole video and just start over. But I was thinking to myself, I put a lot of time into this video. I put a lot of effort into it. So I did not want to delete it just because of one thing. Well, not just one thing, but I didn't want to delete it just because it did not come out perfect. Because I looked at it like, you know, it would be the same thing as, okay, just say you wanted to buy a car, and you go, you find the car that you like, and you see how much money you have to save up, and you know, you work extra hours at your job, and you sacrifice the things that you want to buy to save the money, and then you finally get the money to get the car, and then you go get the car, you go wash it up, and you know, put the little spray on your tire, got the car looking good. And just say you go to Kroger and somebody nicks your car with their door. You're not gonna just throw the whole car away because you have a little nick in your paint. You know, you're not gonna just walk now because your car isn't perfect like it was when you first bought it. So that's kind of how I look at my video. I don't want to just throw it away because of the few things that did not go right in it, because it might be something in that video that somebody could learn from and learn not to do in their video or whatever. So I always try to look at situations in a positive way, even when it can be. Okay, so the next color that I'm going to take is called Passion. I'm just going to put it on top of my eyelid where I put the purple. But you take out the time to watch my stuff, so I really do appreciate that, because I try to spend a lot of time too watching other people's video, because now I have a bigger appreciation for what goes into making videos and what goes into putting out good content and constant content too. Because all right, so I'm going to take the color Fairy Tale and I'm going to put that in my tear ducts. So I think the thing that I learned is that, you know, everything isn't going to always go the way you want it to go. But you have to see the good in every situation and just keep it moving, instead of just getting so frustrated and so caught up in something that you can't change anyway. So I'm just taking the color Honey and I'm mixing it with Friday, and I'm smudging my line. I'm gonna take the color Allison and I'm gonna put that on my brow bone. I'm definitely trying to get into doing more color, because I actually just started wearing eyeshadow. Like, I might do just a little natural look or something like that, put like a color or two, but doing a whole look, this is very new for me. So I'm definitely learning, definitely trying new stuff, learning what not to do and what to do to try to get the outcome that I want. So this is definitely a learning experience for me, but I'm all for it. I'm all for it. I love learning new stuff. Because like I tell my kids all the time, how do you know if you were good at something? Or how do you know if you like something if you never try it? Just sticking to the same thing all the time, you're going to keep getting that same outcome. So I'm going to finish off the rest of my face. And I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot. My eyelashes. So I'm going to try to do a little something with these eyebrows of mine. I don't know. I just have not been in the mood to do my eyebrows. Like, I just kind of shape them up a little bit, but I'm just not really in the mood anymore. I have to really be in the mood to do my eyebrows really good. And it's like, every time I film, my eyebrows never come out right. I have to really focus on where I can talk and do my eyebrows yet. Okay, and I don't think I said, but I'm using the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. And I really do like this pencil. I try not to use it that much because I like it so much. So I only really use it if I'm going somewhere special. I think it's just the right enough color and it's not too harsh. Because my mom was always saying, oh, your eyebrows are too harsh. Okay, so I'm just going to blend in that translucent powder that I put under my eye. And then I'm going to contour. Everything is pretty much the same now as in my other videos. And I'm using the True Complexion by Black Radiance. And I'm not really big into contouring. So this is definitely just something that I do just to kind of give my face a little shape. But I don't do major contour. So I'm using the NARS Blush in Orgasm. This is what it looks like. And for highlight, I'll be using the highlighters that came in the It's My Ray Race palette. And they are really pretty. This color right here. Kind of just want a subtle highlight today. And I just use the excess on my nose. And you want to make sure that you blend in your highlighter because you don't want it to look like it's just sitting on your face. Okay, and for my lips, I want to use something that's kind of natural because I noticed that I've been doing a lot of dark lips on my videos. So I'm just using, I think this is a Wet n Wild lip pencil or something like that. And then I'm going to use the Too Faced Melted Matte in the color Queen Bee. This is what it looks like. And then I'm going to take that Too Faced and just put it in the middle. Then you want to press it. Then I'm going to take my brush, just make sure everything is blending in on my face. And that's my finished look. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Watching my video. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you on the next one.